Hi, and welcome. It's good to see you again. We're about to start the unit on poetry, which is our last unit for this semester. And I just want to take a few moments and kind of address a couple of issues. First of all, tomorrow I'll be posting up some PowerPoints with vocabulary words and how to appreciate poetry and stuff like that, which are all very good and useful and really necessary. But I want to give you just one word of advice this morning, and that is poetry really is this beautiful thing, this amazing thing that can transform lives, rebuild characters, make a real change in the individual and in the culture. But in order to get it, you've got to read it. I talk to students all the time who are like, well, I don't get poetry. I don't understand it. I don't really like it. I don't enjoy it. But that's simply because they haven't really put in the effort. And yeah, reading poetry takes more time than it takes to read a newspaper article or something on the internet, but it's worth it. You have to read it multiple times. You have to think about it. You may have to look up words you don't know or characters or place names, but it really is worth it. Now, I have intentionally chosen poems for this semester which are shorter so that you'll have time to read them out loud, read them silently, walk around while you read them to your dog. Cats don't really enjoy poetry, but dogs do. Read the poem. Read it silently, read it out loud, go over it several times, think about it, what it's trying to ask or trying to say, the point it's trying to make. And if you spend just a few minutes, you'll really enjoy it. Poetry is really one of those rare things that if you think you can get it, you can. And so learn the vocabulary, read all about poetry, and then just sit down, read the poems. We've got a couple of quizzes coming up in the next before the end of the semester. You've got your research paper, first the outline, then the final draft. We've got a lot of stuff going on in your lives, plus the discussion posts, of course. But enjoy the poetry unit. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.